Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to do a fun mashup drawing, and I want to show you guys how to draw a Marshmallow Godzilla combo. So to start off with our Marshmellozilla, we want to begin with the head. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to just draw a line that just kind of forms like an oval shape like this. I'm just going to make a nice skinny oval shape, and it's going to be a little bit at an angle. Now, starting here on this end, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down to about here. And then I want to start inside of here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and it's just going to kind of go down. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this up like that. Kind of looks like a little shoe or sock. And then I'm going to start on this side, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then connect to there. Now, we want to draw those kind of famous marshmallow eyes. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve to here. And then right up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go up and then down. And then I'm just going to color this in. Now, starting right about here, I'm going to draw kind of like a teardrop shape. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down, it's going to curve around, and then kind of come up. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just kind of go down, kind of curve around, and then just kind of come up. And then we're just going to color this in. Now, starting right here, I want to make the mouth. So I just kind of want to make a zigzag line that just kind of goes up to here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw kind of like just a little wavy kind of zigzag line that kind of turns into a smiley face. And then I'm just going to do the same thing on this side, and then just kind of run right into there. And then I'm just going to color this in. Then I'm just going to add a little line here and a little line here, just kind of show where the nose would be. Now, we want to draw the neck. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to go down. I'm going to kind of curve around, and then come up to here. And then I'm going to draw a little line. It's just going to kind of curve right around here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line. It's just going to kind of go out. It's going to go down like this. Start here, draw a little line. It's going to kind of curve up to there. And then I'm just going to make a little line that goes down. It's going to come down and then kind of up like this. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of go down and then kind of connect to there. Kind of a little bit of a wavy line. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of go down like this. And then it's going to kind of curve and then just kind of come around here. And then right up here, I'm just going to draw a little line. It's just going to kind of curve to there. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve up. And then it's going to kind of come to a point, come down. Going to add another one that's going to go right here. And then one more right there. And then I'm just going to add a little thumb right here. And then just connect the right back to the sleeve. Then I'll make a little line that just connects to here and just kind of color this in just to show where the sleeve is. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of form like a teardrop shape like this. Kind of like an upside down one. I'm going to make another one right here. One more that kind of curves down and up here. And then one that kind of curves around like this. And then I'm just going to make a line that's going to curve here for the hand. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. And then a little line that's just going to kind of curve to here. Then I'll make kind of two little curved lines right there. Then I'll add a little kind of line there. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of go around like this, and it's going to come up to here. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of go out. That's going to come down like this for the leg. I'm going to add a little line. It's just going to kind of curve down. That's going to come up here. And then another little line that goes right to there. Then I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of come down. It's going to curve around. I'm going to add a little curved line on top. And then just a little line is just going to kind of come up and then right to here. Now for the feet, I'm going to start here and just draw a line. It's going to curve down and come back. Then one more that's going to curve down and come back, and then it's going to curve to here. And then I'll put one more right over here. Then right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to come up. One that's going to go over and then curve up, and then one more right there. Now, starting here, we're going to add the tail, so I'm going to line up with this line right here, and I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of go down. It's going to curve up. It's going to come to like a rounded point, and then it's just going to curve back to here. Now, we want to make all of those little spikes back here. So, I'm going to start off with some small ones right here, and I'm just going to make some lines. They're just going to be kind of wavy. I'm going to put about 4 or 5 spikes on each one. Just little points on here, make them a little bit taller as they get towards the middle of the back. And then as you get to about here, you can start making them get a little bit smaller. And then you're just going to kind of continue these all the way down the tail. Then we can just kind of add some finishing touches and details on here. I'll draw a little line right there, and then a couple little kind of curved lines on, for the neck of Godzilla, or our Marshmellozilla. Put some curved lines on here for the claws. Kind of color in this little spot here, or the sleeve. Add some curved lines onto the toes. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little line that's just going to kind of curve down the tail. And then I'm just going to add these little curved lines going right down the end. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Marshmellozilla mashup. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.